So I'd like to introduce you to the latest addition in our Aquaread range. This is the AP6000 multi-parameter water quality probe with built-in self-cleaning. So what we have here on the probe is the combined pH ORP sensor, optical dissolved oxygen, conductivity on the inside. We then also have 4 auxiliary ports for adding additional sensors. Here we have an ion selective sensor, here we have 2 optical sensors, and again another ion selective sensor here. Now the really important feature of this probe is the built-in self-cleaning system. Now this is different to the self-cleaning system that you'll find on our AP7000 as it's a lot smaller. We've removed the internal motor and everything is housed within the cleaning shaft that you can see here. Within the meters menu, we're able to initiate a cleaning cycle. Let's do this to take a look at how the AP6000 cleans the sensors it has installed. So as you can see, the brush rotates in one direction followed by the other direction. And this is to help expand the life of the brushes so that they don't bend over to one side from repeated use. Let's have a look at that one more time. The brush will clean all the sensors that are installed on the probe, including the conductivity sensor. The AP6000 is a really flexible system. It can be used as part of a portable water monitoring package, or it can be used alongside telemetry for an unmanned deployment. The advantage with telemetry is that it brings your data directly to your PC and reduces site visits. The probe measures in at only 55mm in diameter. The self-cleaning system on the probe also keeps all of your sensors cleaner for longer, giving you the most accurate data over a longer period of time.